Yes, welcome back to Phone Lookout. So this is the Samsung M30, and the thing has a dead screen. As you will look, it's cracked internally at some point there. I think you can see that line moving along that space. Yeah, so the screen is dead. So we'll have to replace this screen. So today's video, I am going to show you how to replace the screen. First, we are going to open the phone, see what is inside, see how to change the battery, and then see how to remove the old screen. So let's open the phone and see what is inside. Now, first things first, I will need to remove my SIM card tray, and let me get my pin that I use to remove the SIM card tray. So poke right in there, and this should be able to come out. That holds both SIM cards and the memory card slot. So now we are going to pry along the edges of the phone, and that is using a surgical blade, so we get right in there carefully. It's a bit really held in tight, so we're going to use a bit of excessive force to pry it apart. It doesn't come off easily like that of the Techno phones. It's really a tough piece of plastic there, but again, be careful not to break. Don't get excited and use all the energy you feel like you should. So I am now going around the peripheries towards the top end. Okay, so notice I start from the bottom because there's a fingerprint right there, and that we should take care of. So now you see the bottom side is gaping the most, so I'm going to take it apart while peeping inside, see where the fingerprint is. Okay, it's there. So I had already pushed it out because usually it's glued to the back at some point. For our case here, a little bit, and that's out. Now this is how the inside of the Samsung M30 looks like, or Samsung Galaxy M30. Okay, someone has been in before me. So right now, if we were going to replace the battery, what we would do is open this, because we want to disconnect these fibers that are running right above the battery. So open the first screw right there, go for the second right there, and now is the point that I will request you that you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button. Okay, the screws are coming out. Not entirely. Usually they go off with my screwdriver, which is usually magnetized for that purpose of getting off with them. But then before I go any further, let me disconnect the fingerprint sensor. So the fingerprint sensor is out of place. Having removed it, that is also out, this is also out, and that is also out. So let me get right and disconnect this first from the top side, because I know there's a lock there, and I'm trying to be careful not to throw the screws flying into the air. Okay, and that comes out as a whole. So now we are going to remove the main fiber, the two main, and then remove also that one. Now if we were to replace the battery, we will have to remove the old battery. That means unplugging it from the socket and then ripping it from the frame. Now this this is held down by the adhesive, so you'll find means of ungluing it from the frame. One is by applying heat of around 100 degrees and not keeping it there for long, because the battery can explode. Then unglue this. Now since I'm going to remove the front screen, I am going to use a hot plate, and that will be at around 110 degrees C, and that heat will also help me soften the glue underneath this. Now to the lower side, as pertains what is inside this phone, let me open for you. show you what the lower board has. Okay, we actually also have to remove it because we need this removed if we are going to replace the screen, seeing that this fiber passes under there. So this is also coming out, that too. I think let me turn on my heat plate so that it heats up as I am doing this. Set it to a maximum of 100 there. Okay, so let me remove this. We'll get in between there, that comes out, and you can see how weird the connectors are. So I'll first unplug that out of there, and then this will have to be unglued from under right there. That is true. So as to remove the screen. Now I don't need to remove this when I'm changing the screen, but I'm tempted to settle down with some adhesive, so this will come out like that. And now on the lower board, you see we will have ourselves the charging port, the microphone, the earphone jack, and then the network antenna contact points. Yeah, so this is that for this. Now I'm taking this phone onto the hot plate so as to remove the screen. So I'm going to put it on a hot plate to heat this up, heating it up to about 100 degrees C, so that I can be able to remove the battery and show you how you would replace it. Let me come back. Okay, so I believe it's hot enough. Let me bring it here, and I know the second battery replacement. Okay, now I can feel it trying to lift, but failing. So I'm going to get in there using a knife. I've done this before. Careful not to rupture the battery. Yeah. Now the things are supposed to have pulling tabs, but I think this phone was refurbished, so there was no pulling tab, just glue holding it down. So this is how you replace the battery. This is how it gets out. Hit the frame. The adhesive under will soften. Yeah. So now let us remove the screen. Now that it is hot enough, let's get in between there, and then cut. Okay. Cut. Now this screen is dead. I don't care so much whether it survives or not, though I feel tempted to let it survive because the top glass is actually intact. Now let me take it back. It has cooled down a bit, and return. Okay, let me bring it back again and get in between. And this is how it lifts out and comes out like that. Yeah, so they had really tried working on this, but no hope. So now we got to get the new screen, so I'm going with this, and I need to test before I buy. So let's meet in the next. Let's meet